Hey everyone, want to permanently delete your Mega account? In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Mega account step by step. Yeah, whether you're switching to another cloud service or no longer need your account, this guide will help you remove it properly. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Mega account. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete before starting the process. Before deleting your account, download any important files you want to keep. Once your account is removed, you may lose access to your stored data. Next, open your account menu and go to the Settings section. From there, find the Account or Security options where you can manage your account details. Look for the option to close, delete, or cancel your Mega account. Click the option to begin the account deletion process. Mega may ask you to confirm your password or verify your identity before continuing. This step helps prevent unauthorized account deletion. After confirming the request, follow the instructions provided by Mega to complete the deletion process. Your account may be scheduled for removal after confirmation. If you have an active Mega subscription, make sure to cancel it before deleting your account to avoid future billing issues. Remember that deleting your account can remove your files, contacts, and account information permanently, so double-check that you have saved anything important before confirming. Once the deletion process is complete, you will no longer be able to access your Mega account with that login information, and that's how you delete your Mega account. By following these steps carefully, you can remove your account and protect your personal data. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.